Imagine you have 12 apples and 18 oranges to pack into snack bags. How many identical bags can you create with nothing left over? Or picture two buses. One arrives every 10 minutes, the other every 15. When will they next arrive at the same time? These aren't just riddles, they're problems solved by understanding the DNA of numbers. The snack bag puzzle is about factors. Factors are the numbers that divide perfectly into another number. They're the building blocks. To find the shared factors of 12 and 18, we see the largest one they have in common, the highest common factor, is 6. That's your answer. You can make 6 identical snack bags. The bus schedule problem uses multiples. A multiple is just what you get when you skip count. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30. The first number they both hit, their lowest common multiple, is 30. They'll arrive together again in 30 minutes. But what about huge numbers? That's where divisibility rules become your secret weapon. They are shortcuts that skip the long division. A number is divisible by 2 if it's even, by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. And here's a neat trick for 3 and 9. Just add up all the digits. Take the number 4,518. Is it divisible by 9? Let's check. 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 8 equals 18. Since 18 is divisible by 9, so is 4,518. Simple. So, need to share items fairly? Think factors. Need to know when events will sync up? Think multiples. These ideas show us that numbers aren't random. They have a structure, a logic. And once you see it, the world of math starts to make a whole lot more sense.